Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add two names in one cell, and here you can see that I have a two name in the first cell and in the second cell. So how you can combine both of them in the third cell. So you need to use the formula, put the equal sign and select the first name cell space and put the ampersand space and double quote, and if you want to insert a comma between first name and second name, put the comma space and then double quote space, again put the ampersand space and select the cells second cell's reference and hit enter, and here you can see that first name and second name have been added. You can drag it and apply the formula to the other rows like this one. If you want to insert a dash instead of comma, you just need to go to the formula bar, remove the comma and paste the dash, hit enter, and here you can see that. And if you want to remove the space between this dash, you just need to go to the formula bar and remove the space, hit enter, and here you can see that. Drag it like this one. Here you can see that there is a space over here, but that means you need to click over here, and here you can see that there is a space over here. Just remove this space, and here you can see that it has been according to the first format. So I hope you understand how you can add two names in one cell in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.